In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create an effective customer satisfaction survey with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're running an online clothing store or any other type of business, understanding your customers' experiences can be the key to improving your products and services. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you come away with a survey that's perfectly tailored to your needs. First, you want to get started by accessing ChatGPT. Open a web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, initiate a brand new chat session. This fresh, blank canvas is where you'll interact with ChatGPT and craft your survey. Next, it's essential to communicate your survey's objectives clearly to ChatGPT. You might, for instance, say something like, "I need a customer satisfaction survey for my online clothing store. Create 10 questions to measure customer experience, product quality, and delivery speed." By laying out your goals with specific areas of focus, you'll give ChatGPT the guidance it needs to generate relevant questions. After you receive those initial questions, it's time to enhance their variety. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the survey so it includes a mix of different question types, such as multiple choice, rating scale from 1 to 5, and open-ended questions. This combination will not only help you gather quantitative data, but also dive deeper into qualitative insights about your customers' thoughts and experiences. Customization is key, and that's the next area we're tackling. Request ChatGPT to adjust the phrasing of the questions to align with your brand. You might want to say, "Make the survey questions sound friendly, short, and easy to answer." Use the store name, Style Hub, in the wording. Tailoring the language ensures that the survey resonates with your customers and reflects the tone and personality of your brand. Once you've customized the language to fit your brand voice, consider how you'll be distributing the survey. Ask ChatGPT to format the survey in a way that can be directly utilized in popular platforms like Google Forms or Typeform. This step ensures that once you export the questions, they're ready to be put straight into the format of your choice without any additional hassle. Finally, it's beneficial to prepare for those instances when customers express dissatisfaction. Ask ChatGPT to add 3 follow-up questions aimed at understanding why some customers may have been unhappy. This proactive approach will help you gather the insights needed to address potential issues and make necessary improvements. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a customer satisfaction survey with ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to gaining valuable feedback that can drive meaningful changes in your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you connect more effectively with your customers.